Hello everyone, hope you all are doing very well. Today we are going to discuss about the 120 number of open position in GAIL Gas Limited. GAIL Gas Limited is hiring for the fixed term employment scheme for senior associate and junior associate. This fixed term employment scheme will be for 3 years on extendable basis for 2 years on yearly basis based on the performance of individual and as per the company requirement. Let's see the eligibility criteria. For senior associate technical, there are 72 positions available. Education required is full-time bachelor degree in engineering. Senior associate fire and safety, 12 positions are available. Full-time bachelor degree in engineering in fire and safety is required. Senior associate marketing, 6 positions are available. Full-time 2-year MBA is required. Senior associate finance and accounts, 6 positions are available. Education requirement is CA, CMA, ICWA, or full-time 2-year MBA and specialization in finance. Senior Associate Company Secretary, 2 positions are available. Senior Associate Human Resource, 6 positions are available. 2 years full-time MBA is required. For Senior Associate, there are total 104 positions. Out of these 104 positions, 5 number are been reserved for person with disabilities. For Junior Associate Technical, 16 positions are available. Qualification required is diploma in engineering. Out of these 16 positions, one position is been reserved for person with disability. Upper age limit is 32 years, and the person with under the category have the age relaxation. Like SC, ST have 5 years of age relaxation, OBC have 3 years of age relaxation, person with disability have 10 years of age relaxation. Selection process based on the two method. For senior associate, written test and personal interview will be conducted. For junior associate, written test and or skill test will be done. Pay scale for senior associate is 60,000 per month. For junior associate is 40,000 per month. Variable pay and annual incentive as per the policy of GAIL Gas Limited. Other benefits as per the policy of GAIL Gas Limited. Statutory benefits such as PF as per the under various sections. Medical policy under cover up to 5 lakhs on annual basis for self, spouse, and two children is available. For applying for general category EWS and OBC, there is a non-refundable application fees of rupees 100, and the person under the category of SC, ST and person with disability have no fees. How to apply for these positions? Firstly, you have to visit the official website of the GAIL, then verify the official notification. Candidates are requested to go through the advertisement very carefully before applying for any particular post. Read the important instruction and click check OK and agree button. Then registered by filling up the necessary details like name, mobile number, email ID, and then submit it. Check the application sequence number, user ID, and password that has been received on your registered email address and mobile number. Re-log in by using that same user ID and password. Then fill their application form by uploading your details, photo, and signature. Check the application that everything that you have filled is correct. Then you can submit it. After some clicking on the submit button, it will ask to do the payment. If you are in general category, you need to do the 100 rupees payment for application fees through net banking or by using credit card or debit card. After that, the application will be done and you can download the application form for further records, future records. Now we can talk about the future important dates. For starting of this registration is from 10th of March 2023 and last date for registration of this application by candidate is 10th of April 2023. This is the important link for official notification. This link I will provide in the video description to go to you for your reference so that you can get the official notification and you can go through it with the carefully details and you can apply for the post. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you. Best of luck.